Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add an overlay on TikTok, but you can't really change the opacity and blend mode. Let me just tell you that right now. But you're just going to open up a video on TikTok. I've already done that, as you can see. Then go and select adjust clips, then go to overlay and press add overlay. Select the video you want to add. Just going to go to videos for that. Select it and press next. I'm just going to wait for it to download. Then you can put it to the side like so. The overlay will be on top of the video, as you can see. You can just resize it like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!